Welcome to the best picks. The Best Bunny Scratch Pad is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your pet rabbit, offering a safe and enriching way for them to express their natural scratching behaviors, protecting your furniture and keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. Choosing the right pad can significantly impact your rabbit's well-being and the cleanliness of your home, so let's dive into what makes a great bunny scratch pad. Number 5. Litewoo Rabbit Scratch Board. It's the perfect solution for keeping your bunny's nails and teeth trimmed. This board is safe, durable, and will provide hours of entertainment. It's more than just a scratch board, it's a food tray, digging platform, and foot rest all in one. Your pet will love the variety. The grooves are designed to help your pet naturally trim their nails and teeth, preventing discomfort and injury. It's thoughtful design at its best. Made from natural, non-toxic wood, you can rest assured knowing it's safe for your furry friend to chew and play on. It's the best choice for your pet's well-being. This will keep your pet comfortable and happy while preventing foot injuries and skin problems. Give your pet the gift of healthy fun. What we like. It's a versatile pet toy that can be used as a scratch board, food tray, and digging platform. It's made from safe, natural wood, ensuring your pet's well-being. If you're looking for a safe and multifunctional toy to keep your pet entertained and healthy, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is super cute and you didn't have to do anything to put it together, it already came assembled. He loves it. My cat fell in love with it as well. My cat loves to use it as a scratching board. Very easy to clean. It does not splinter off and a decent weight. Number 4. Litewoo Hamster Chew Toy. It's made of natural lava, so it's completely safe and non-toxic for your furry friend to gnaw on. Chewing is completely safe and worry-free. With dimensions of 9.45 by 5.91 by 0.98 inches, it offers ample space for your pet to play and chew. It's large enough for comfortable use and very durable. This toy is perfect for hamsters, guinea pigs, ferrets, rabbits, hedgehogs, gerbils, chinchillas, and rats. It's a great choice for many small animals. The grooves in this toy help your pet grind their teeth and claws effectively. There's no risk of tiny nails getting caught. Chewing on it helps your pet relieve stress and boredom. It keeps them happy, healthy, and active, both physically and mentally. What we like. Made from natural lava, it's a safe and durable option for your pet to grind their teeth and claws. Its large size provides ample space for your pet to play and chew comfortably. If your pet needs a durable and spacious chewing toy, this is ideal for you. What people say. My rabbits use them every day. They even sleep on them. It is extremely durable and had held up for a long time and does not show signs of wear on it. It is a great addition to their living environment. Came in one piece, smaller than I expected, but very sturdy. Number 3. 2PC Rabbit Scratch Pad. It's made of natural lava, so it's perfectly safe and non-toxic for your furry friend to chew on. They can enjoy it without any worries. With dimensions of 9.4 by 5.9 by 0.9 inches, it offers plenty of space for your pet to comfortably move around and chew. It's also very durable. This scratching pad is perfect for a wide range of small animals, including rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, and more. It's a great addition to any pet cage. The small grooves are designed to help your pet grind their teeth and claws, keeping them healthy and trimmed. No more worries about stuck nails. This interactive toy helps your pet relieve boredom and vent frustration. Chewing on it keeps them happy and healthy, both physically and mentally. What we like. This option is safe, durable, and large enough for your pet to comfortably chew and play. Made from natural lava, it's perfect for grinding teeth and claws. If you need a durable and safe chewing toy for your pet, this is a great option. What people say. My bun loves these, especially when I hold them at a diagonal angle to the floor so she can get at the corners with ease. They last pretty long and help cut down on baseboard chewing. My babies absolutely love these stones. I can hear them scratching vigorously at them. I love that they don't just crumble away, they actually take a while for them to get through so they can enjoy it longer. Put it in and Bunny ran right to it, started to chew edges and scratch at it. Number 2. 2-pack rabbit wooden scratch board. It's perfect for rabbits and other small animals like chinchillas, hamsters, or ferrets. This versatile board offers a great solution for many pets. The wood stays dry, protecting your pet's feet from the cage wire and keeping things clean. Plus, it's easy to clean and comes in a 2-pack for convenient rotation. Made from natural wood, it's safe, durable, and perfect for your pet to scratch and gnaw on. It's an environmentally friendly choice for your furry friend. The many small grooves create a lattice design ideal for claw grinding. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your pet's cage. 8 mounting holes make it simple to secure it to the cage with wire. Installation is quick and easy, so you can get it set up in minutes. What we like? This wooden scratch board is durable, easy to install, and perfect for keeping your pet's claws trimmed. The natural wood is safe and easy to clean. If you are looking for a durable and easy to clean wooden scratch pad, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great item for rabbits who like to chew carpets in the corners of your room. Just put one of these down in the corner and they dig at the board or chew it instead. Excellent item. Solid wood, smells good, and my rabbit loves it. Number 1. DQITJ Rabbit Grinding Kit. This kit is perfect for keeping your small pet's teeth healthy and happy. It includes everything your furry friend needs to stay happy and healthy. You'll receive 1 natural lava grinding pad and 1 wooden scratch board. Both are designed for safe and effective teeth and claw maintenance. The lava stone is the perfect texture for grinding teeth. It's made from natural lava rock, ensuring it's safe and long-lasting for your pet. This natural wood scratch board features grooves to help keep those claws trimmed. It provides a fun and healthy way for your pet to maintain their nails. It's ideal for rabbits, bunnies, chinchillas, hamsters, hedgehogs, and other small rodents. Give your pet the gift of healthy teeth and claws. The lava stone measures 9.44 L x 5.9 W x 0.98 H inches, and the wooden board is approximately 10.2 L x 6.2 W x 0.55 H inches. The perfect size for your small pet. What we like? This 2-in-1 set offers both a lava stone and a wooden scratch board, providing your pet with a variety of textures and chewing options. Both materials are safe and durable. If you want to provide your pet with a variety of textures and chewing options, this is the best choice. What people say. It is in her hutch, and she uses it regularly, so her nails rarely ever need clipping. The lava board was broken on one of the corners. It is a good size for bunnies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.